to hang our rope, this is a haul line, and how we get our ropes up through the pulley is by doing a clove hitch knot on our rope. So what I do is I'm gonna cross my hands like this, and I'm gonna come around and make 2 loops. I'll do that one more time. So I cross my hands, forefinger and thumb, I'm gonna bring it around through the back, and it forms 2 loops. Then what I do, I put it on the rope, and I secure it, and I do another one as well, and I go around, put it on the rope, make sure it's tight, and then what I do is I pull it up through the top and through the pulley. And that is how we hang a rope.